Hi everyone, my new paper pumpkin came. This is called From the North Pole and it's the November 2022 box. Let's take a look. Super cute. Alright, oh, look at this stamp set. You're going to love this stamp set. They've been really kind of large lately, haven't they? Look at this big reindeer. Express delivery from the North Pole. Ho, 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 open me, from Santa, joy, Merry Christmas, no peeking, and a to and from. And a really cute candy cane. That is super cute. Love the stamp set. Cherry Cobbler is our ink spot. I should mention that there are these bags that you can add on if you're a subscriber, and here I have them. They come in at 12 to a pack. I forget how much they are. I kind of feel like it was $5. You get 12 of them, and they're nice little treat bags. And I think they're kind of year-round. They have somewhat of a snowflake look to them, but if you didn't think about it, it could just be a geometric pattern. So you could use these all year round. They're kind of a crumb cake color and really cute. I always buy the treat sacks because I use them a lot, so they're real cute. Anyway, that is an add-on that you can add on. It doesn't come with. Okay, these, I can just tell already that I really like them, and I like the size of these tags. Now, tags are great. Here's the picture. Because they can be added to a card. So even though it's a tag, you can put it on a card base and it looks, you can use it as a tag on a gift or turn it into a card, as they've shown here in this sample. They've taken this tag, it kind of mixed them up actually, and they've shown how you can use a tag as a decoration on a card. So maybe you don't need all the tags because there's quite a few. I think there's 12 tags. So you can do some of them as tags and some of them as cards. You just have to add it to a card base or a treat bag. So let's take a look. If you're not familiar, I always buy extra. So if you missed out on this one and you're kicking yourself because that stamp set is adorable, contact me. I may have some extras. Last month sold out the day I got them, so you don't want to wait around on the Christmas ones. So here are the tags. So there's 4 each of 3 different designs, and then here's some more elements for our tags. Little Santa hat is cute, and little sentiments. Here's some that you can add your own sentiments from your stamp set. Candy canes, super cute. Oh, I see some glimmer paper. Look at that. It's pre-punched out tags, so you just have to punch them out. Look at those. Ooh, look at these are snowflakes. So pretty. All right, those are gorgeous. Some more tags. Here's some iridescent snowflakes, or white on the back. You can use whichever. You can even use a sponge and color these whatever color you want. But the iridescent's kind of pretty. You've got your adhesives, of course, and your instructions, and some little twine. And the green here that you keep seeing is mint macaron, so you can know what these colors are. Okay, so here's how you make them. Really cute. I think they're adorable. Again, if you missed out, let me know. And here on the back, they've showed you how to use them in other ways. And here it is on the gift bag that I was talking about. And I really like these treat bags. So cute. And these are while supplies last. So they may run out of these. And of course, you know that Paper Pumpkin is this month. And if they run out of those, sometimes they have refills or leftover kits, but not always. But I do have some, so contact me if you missed out. This is a great stamp set. Look at that. Look how big that is. They're usually not quite that big, are they? That's a nice one. I'm gonna hold that there for a minute so you don't have to pause. Super great. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any paper pumpkin questions or you want to subscribe, I'll put a link in the description below. Next month's kit, I already kind of have an idea of what it is. It's going to be gift card holders. So it makes boxes, 16 little gift card size boxes, so you can add a gift card. And those are always good to have on hand for teacher gifts, or, you know, little gift cards to give to all kinds of people in your life that you want to give a little thank you for at the end of the year, these little gift card boxes. So they're not Christmassy, they're different colors. These are not the colors down here, but they coordinate with these. These are cards and envelopes. This is an add-on. You know how last month we had this as an add-on? Next month, the add-on is card bases with envelopes. These envelopes are striped, really cute. I'm going to get these on, I'm supposed to get my shipment, is today Friday? I'm supposed to get my shipment today, or maybe tomorrow, I can't remember, of the my new order, and it has these in it. They're really nice cards and envelope packs. They come in like a little pack, and you know, you can just use them with any stamp sets you already own, but of course it coordinates with the gift card holders that are going to come in next month's kit, which is December. Perfect time, because you're going to have those gifts, but they're not Christmas colors, so you can use them all year round, but you can also, you know, add little snowmen or little cute little greetings on here that are Christmassy. So anyway, that's my little plug for next month's. If you want to subscribe, the link will be in my description. And then if you missed out and you didn't get this month's kit and you wish you had, let me know. I only have a few, and they sold fast last month. Actually, the past like 4 or 5 months worth, I've been selling out really fast. So let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.